Hey guys, good morning. Andy here with Expert Renovation. Hope everybody had a good Labor Day holiday. We're back at it in Macon's historic Vineville district. It's a longtime customer of ours. We've roofed all his rental houses, roofed his mom and dad's house. So we're on to his personal house. Big challenge today. We've got a driveway that the dump truck barely fit down. This is about a 60 square job total, including his outbuilding. So our plan is going to be to try to keep as much of the trash as possible. Take it off the roof, send it into the dump truck. There's just a lot of close landscaping. It's hard to do much other than that. I'm going to reflash all these chimneys, get rid of these turtle vents. I'm going to be installing a CertainTeed integrity roof system, roof runner synthetic, CertainTeed ply base in all the intersections. CertainTeed shadow ridge, hip and ridge. We've got a little low slope area in the back. I'm going to be putting the flint lastic basin cap sheet on it. This is absolutely a 2-day job. It may run into 3 with the close conditions, but we'll give it our best shot, and I'll keep you posted with the finished product. Let us know if we can help you out with your roofing projects. Don't forget to subscribe. 478-501-0102. Thank you for watching.